gonna be unboxing the wireless mobile 1000 mouse. This is a truly wireless product, and during this time around, it's pretty much glossy on a mouse when packaged. So let's flip the back and open it. Now, as you might have seen here, this one's protected by a pack of bubbles or tape things. So yeah, first I gotta splice those open. Let me get the camera into focus. Good. Now there was a good one here. Here's another. Must be spliced. So yeah, don't want to go skin. Now these two are pure tape, so you gotta splice those a little bit as well. Now, out with the knife and into the box. You might want to turn HD on for this because this will get pretty much done. Oh, and here it is. Here's the thing. Know the barcode. Two pieces of paper. Here we have product guide, limited warranty. What else is in here? That is it. What else is in here? Here. That is it. And ooh, what do I have here? Seems like we get the mouse system itself. And just pop that open. That just pops it right smack dab off. And the most personal favorite of mine is these people. That also pops off. And out comes the little Duracell battery. Yeah. Battery. Now remember, this battery is only for educational purposes. I ain't gonna use the dirt. Bye. I can get this once I get the camera into focus. Good. Focus. See, here's proof. It's a Duracell. Yeah, it is the Duracell with Duralock. Now free the whole entire casing out. Now this one's edited, so make sure. It can now easily be taken out. Oh, but this seems kind of small. Now, at first, I thought thought it was going to be big, but instead it was tremendously small but comfortable. Now observing correct polarity. My USB mouse, or yours, is easily finished. We should just put it in the. Here we go in the option. Now I'm gonna close this. Now observing correct previously USB connection. For example, again, fit snugly. See what happens. Oh, look at that beautiful red glow. Ooh, you can mount something mine. I click on a globe. It works flawless. And a red sting. That's the infrared sensor. Now Windows 8 can sometimes be. This includes 8.1. So yeah, there you have it. The Microsoft Wireless Mobile 1000 mouse is unboxed. Thank you for watching. And if you want to, please click the globe to subscribe. Thank you for watching.